Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Good morning, party people. I'm going to kick off this morning replacing the starter on Panther. Got to get this done so Diane can quit complaining about push starting the car. The original push to start. Man, she was really complaining when I had all that stuff in the car and towing Red Barron. Faster! You got to get it up to a certain speed so I can pop the clutch. Alright, let's get cracking. A little tricky getting the starter when you got a rip kit in here. But it is possible still. Got the hose in the way. Man, that starter looks good compared to some I've seen. Oh, a funny bolt reaching around that slave cylinder. But hey, it comes out. Keep forgetting what this plug is for down here. For something on the auto. Anyway, let me go ahead and get this starter out of here so I can try to hit the cars and coffee meet and greet. Started to pull the starter and the starter solenoid wire, the little green one down there, just kind of fell off. Put it on, touched it, fell off again, so maybe that wire connection was loose. I put it all back together real quick, fire it right up. So I'm gonna see if it starts again here real quick. Fires up again real quick. Maybe that was my problem. Wow. Fired up again. I'm gonna let it run for a minute. Shut it off. Try to fire it up again. Fires up 3 times in a row. Probably a good starter. Well, she fired up 3 times in a row. I'm gonna let that ride until it happens again. If it fails to start again, I'll replace the starter. But hey, I think that loose wire may have been my issue. Sorry about that, Diane. Here we are, folks, kicking off the morning. Afternoon Red Barron, lovely cabin air filter. Yum, yum. You could breathe through this, or you could smoke 2 squares a day. Square packs, that is. Cleaning up some of this mud, dirt that's been building up in here over the years. And trying to figure out how many parts I forgot back in Albuquerque. I need to dash back and get. So we're going to put the dash pad in, change the oil, and keep making a little progress. Got the dash pad in, got the glove box door in, the glove box in, getting ready to put the collar around the steering column, drop in the stereo, call it a night. Trying to get dark on it. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.